So W over volume means that weight in volume. So weight in gram in 100 milliliter. And now you want to make a 1000 liter of lactulose solution which contain 15% of W over volume, weight over volume. So gram over 100 milliliter. You are going to make 1000 liters of lactulose solution with concentration of the 15% of that. So concentration means that 15 grams of lactulose in 100 milliliter. So 1 liter equal to 1000 milliliter. So for 1 liter, 1000 milliliter. So how much of gram of lactulose we need for 1000 milliliter? So if we times by 10, so 150 over 1000. Now we need 1000 liter. It means that if we times 1000, so we will have 150,000 of lactulose over thousands of liters. So how much lactulose does we need in kilogram? So we need this amount in grams. So if you want to convert grams to kilograms, so you need to divide this by 1000. So we need 150 kilogram of lactulose. What is the meaning of 10 to the power of 10 is equal to 10? What is the meaning of 10 to the power of 2? It's 2 0. We add 2 zeros. When 10 to the power of 3, 1 2 3, so we put 3 zeros. 10 to the power of 4 equal to 1 2 3 4 zeros. Now only exception here, 10 to the power of 0 equal to 1. So now I'm going to do to the power of minus 1. 10 to the power of minus 1 equal to, you put 1 and then move to the left, and then you go to the left and pass 1 digit, and it would be 0.1. Now 10 to the power of minus 2, you put first digit and then also pass another 0, and then put the point and then 0. And so this for 2, this for 1, 10 to the power of 3, you put 1 and to the left 3 digit, you pass 3 digit to reach the point. First one, second one, and the third one, and then point. So you can see the 3 one. 10 to the power of minus 4 equal to 1 digit, second digit, third digit, fourth digit, and then put 1 0 point and 0 point and 0. So 1 2 3 4, it's 4 to the left. 10 to the power of minus 5, you put 1 first digit, and then second 0, third, fourth, and fifth, and then put the dot point, and then it's 5. So it should be move it to the left. So number 21, write this number into scientific notification. Scientific notification is that, for example, the first one point, the second one times 10 to the power of something. Yeah. So in here we can write 1.0. So we skip this part. So 1 to the power of 10 to the power of what? So count the zeros. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 10 to the power of 7, or you can write it 10 to the power of 7. In number 22, so because the zeros are behind the digit, and we have 1 point, so we count from 1 2 3 4, so it's 1 point something, so we skip this one. So multiply by 10 to the power of 4, but because it's going to the left, minus 4. So instead of writing 1 times 10 to the power of minus 4, we just write 10 to the power of minus of 4. For this one, number 23, so we count from right, 1 2 3 4 5, because we have to write like 8.6 65. So we count from here. Yeah, we count from here, 1 2 3 4 5, and then 8.65 times 10 to the power of 5, because we have 5 digits in here. Again, in this one, so you have 0 and 3 5 6, so you're going to write something like 3.56. yeah, so how many times you need to move these numbers to the left? So to the left, 1 2 3 4 5, so times 10 to the power of minus 5. Or if I want to move this dot to here, so what will be the answer? So it would be 0 point, and we will put 3 of them here. 1 2 3 5 356 10 to the power of minus 1. Then again, if I want to move this dot to here, if I want to put it in here, yeah, it means that it should be 10 to the power of minus 2, and then I will write the rest, 0.00356. Or if you want to move your point to here, yeah, and it means that 10 to the power of -3, and then I will write the rest 0.010 and 356, and then if I want to move my dot to here, so 1, 2, 3, 4, so 10 to the power of -4. So then we put 0.356, and if I want to move the dot to here, we can write 10 to the power of -5, because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and also 3.56. So scientific means that first digit and then put a dot and then the rest. In this question, if you want to use the powers, so it's easier to write this number as 1567. So to reach to this one, we need 10 to the power of 3 or 1000, because here there are 3 digits, 1, 2, 3. So I can get from here or I can get from here. So I want to get 10 to the power of 3, so I'm getting from 10 to the power of 9, for example, and then you will rewrite all things. 10 to the power of 6, 10 to the power of 6. And then, so this number times 2 is equal to 3134 times 10 to the power of 6 plus 6. It's 3134, 10 to the power of 12. If you will write it as a scientific one, so you need to write it like this, yeah, and then 10 to the power of 3, and then 10 to the power of 12. So the answer is 3.134 times, add 12 and 3 is 50. 10 to the power of 15. So the answer is this. In number 23, so something you have point, something, some extra zeros, you can times of 10 to the power of 4. So you can borrow 2 zeros and give it to this number. So you will have 2, 3, 4, 0, 0 times 165. Also, you can write 2, 3, 4 times 10 to the power of 2 times 165. And then you can multiply 234 by 165 times 10 to the power of 6. So the answer is this one. And then if you want to write it as a scientific one, so 3.861. So how many of them we used, how many digits we moved to the left? 4. 10 to the power of 4 to the power of 2, so 3.861 times 10, 2 plus 4 to the power of 6. 10 to the power of 6.